allow me fixing everything, and because there is always something to fix, I'll show you today how to thread in color on the PR series on a embroidery. First thing is take the thread. You need to use a good thread, but they are again out. What else? What else I'm using? I don't know. Madeira is very nice. Okay, pass it through the opening. Just count them. From here is 1, from here is 6. We'll just pass it through. Okay. Can you see it? It goes in, and then because we're using number 4, goes through the opening, and you need to make sure it passes through the metal here on both sides, up and down. Okay. Then here is disc number 4. It wraps once around it, then it wraps 2 times, and around the fourth pin, and around the 4th plate as well. Both 2 sides, yeah, backwards and forwards. Then we'll continue down. Up, incorrect one. 4th going up, and then can we feel the tension? We can, yeah. Through the eyelet on the take-up lever and down. Make sure that even if it catches, yeah, because it catched here, it goes correctly down. Okay, then in the 4th opening, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pass it down, and I'll just move the camera angle. Make sure it goes, because they look similar, and especially with the thread, I leave it as the color of the machine. You know, it can be hard to see. Now, down the machine, onto the machine on the 4th. Can you see it? Yes. We need to take the lever depending on your machine. Can I feel tension? Tension is a little bit low on this one, but there is. It needs tightening up. So pull the take-up lever on the needle, yeah. And what do you need to do? Take a little loop, do a little loop, and can you see the hook? There you go. It goes on the hook, then it comes down. Up, wrong. I did wrong, sorry. So it goes on the hook. If you have a little tweezer, it's even easier. Yeah, so it goes down. And we got the threader in. Go on this side of the threader. Yeah. And snap it on the cutter. There we go. And now press the button again. And the machine is threaded. At least this needle. Here, sometimes it's easier with a little tweezer. When you don't have a tweezer, just do a hook. On the first one, you can even do it without anything. Well, that's it. That's how to thread. The thread on a Brother PR series. I hope the video has been helpful to you, and we'll see you on to the next one. Bye bye.